Vegan milk recipe I will prepare today is the cashew milk. First, take a bowl and pour 100 grams of cashews and 1 liter of water and let them soak for 15 to 20 minutes. I love the cashew milk because it's a thicker milk and it has lots of healthy fats. After 15 minutes, drain the cashews and put them into the blender with 1 liter of water and some maple syrup or agave syrup, and then blend it for 2 minutes in medium speed. Meanwhile, take a bowl and a double mesh strainer and pour the blended milk into the strainer and strain it well. It will remain some pulp. This is the cashew pulp actually. And the milk is ready to be consumed. Or you can put it in a bottle and conserve it for later.